Right now I have created an image. Is the image looks good? Do you want to create an image like this? Stay tuned. What is Pixlr? Pixlr is a free cloud-based photo editing software tool. Other than software like Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Paint, Pixlr is easy to learn. It has large library of effect, filter to enhance your image. To change or create new image, we can use many tools like crop, adjust contrasts or add text, etc. The possibilities are endless. That is the unique selling point of Pixlr. However, the Pixlr can be used on PC, smartphone, tablet. It is platform independent, we can say. If you are not a professional guy and want to use a free tool to help you out with image edited stuff, you are willing to try it, you can absolutely do that. However, I am a professional and still count on it when I don't have access to other applications like Adobe Photoshop. If this is a photo editing software tool, why it is free? Pixlr is completely free to all type of user and come with no enterprises fee. To use the web-based photo editing software, all we have to do is use our Flash enabled web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera to access the Pixlr website. Choose the tool we want to use. So currently we have some tools like Pixlr Editor, Pixlr Express, and after choosing the appropriate tool that we require, we can start the editing process without the need of registering an account here. Additionally, if you are on your mobile devices, whether it is iOS or Android, you can access Pixlr mobile through the native apps available in the store and start adding, touching or editing, enhancing your photos just in minutes. Pixlr uses the concept from earning from ads that are being displayed on the application. From these ads, Pixlr earn money. That's why it is completely free for general use. The platform is Flash based and available in 3 main applications. Those 3 main applications are Pixlr O-Matic, a lightweight free image editing tool that allow user to add unique effect to transform pictures into appealing or professional looking photos. The next one is Pixlr Editor that I use mostly, a powerful and feature rich photo editor designed for web browser. And third one is Pixlr Express, an online photo editor that allow user to apply quick fixes, filter, sticker, overlay to various image type. How Pixlr is different from Photoshop? Let's learn. Photoshop is a complex professional grade software with a steep learning curve. It is not intuitive or easy to use. In fact, for most of ordinary people, it would be horribly complex. It's the industry standard raster image editor, designed for the use by graphic designer, web designer, photographer and digital artist. Even it has functionality to assist scientists in areas such as image analysis and enhancement. While Pixlr is a very basic web-based image editor. It is present over the cloud. You can use the application in your mobile, in your laptop, in your PC, and whenever you want you can use this. And it has a cloud storage system available. You can store the edited image or unedited image into the cloud. Pixlr is a very basic web-based image editor designed to be very easy to use without having to learn or study much. It is a web app which basically use the same editing concept as Photoshop does, but using it free, and you don't need to install special software to use it. It is completely free. Then what is the drawback of using Pixlr? The Pixlr help section is not very helpful. For example, You won't find any answer easily, and every answer is not being answered in there. Unfortunately, there are no support for user group either. If you are the type of guy who needs a lot of help, here I came to picture. I have plenty of tutorial videos on Pixlr available in my channel. You can follow those for free. However, I am posting new videos on Pixlr regularly. To get updated, you can subscribe my channel, follow my channel's Pixlr playlist and more other tutorial videos also. Thank you guys. Have a great day.